The EU medical device regulation isn't a process for a one-time approval. This regulation sets out obligations across the entire life cycle of a product, from idea conception to post-market surveillance and every phase in between. To understand how MDR applies in practice, let's follow the key regulatory checkpoints that guide a device from concept to continued use on the market. Every MDR journey begins with a clear idea. As soon as the intended purpose is written down, including the medical indication, target users, and patient population, the regulatory pathway is triggered. From this point forward, every claim must stay within that scope. With the purpose set, the next task is risk classification. Manufacturers use the 22 rules in Annex VIII to assign the device to Class 1, 2A, 2B, or 3. This single decision fixes both the depth of evidence and the conformity assessment routes that will be allowed later in the process. Risk class and any novel design features determine whether Annex IX, Annex X, or Annex XI is acceptable. Selecting the route early lets the team plan the exact clinical, preclinical, and bench data that must be ready for submission. During design and development, the device must comply with every applicable general safety and performance requirement in Annex I. Verification tests, risk control evidence, usability studies, and design outputs are compiled into the technical documentation structure defined in Annexes II and III. When the technical file is complete, a notified body audits the quality management system and, where required, reviews the full design dossier or the representative type sample. Only after all observations are resolved will a CE certificate be issued. With the certificate in hand, the manufacturer affixes the CE mark, assigns unique device identifiers, and uploads device data to EUDAMED. Labels, instructions, and marketing claims must precisely match the evidence contained in the technical file, nothing more, nothing less. After market entry, compliance continues. A post-market surveillance plan under Article 83 runs throughout the device's life. Class 2A, 2B, and 3 devices require periodic safety update reports, and any serious incident or field safety corrective action must be reported within the Article 87 timelines of 2, 10, or 15 days. All post-market findings feed back into clinical evaluation and risk management documents, closing the loop and starting the cycle again. In summary, MDR compliance is a continuous loop. Classify the device, secure certification, monitor performance, update the documentation, and then repeat for as long as the product remains on the EU market.